Alright, welcome back everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss the const keyword. The const keyword specifies that the variable's value is constant. It tells the compiler to prevent anything from modifying it so that it's effectively read-only. Here is an example. Let's create a program to calculate the circumference of a circle. We will first define the variable that we will need. We have pi. Double pi is equal to 3.14159, and then we will define the radius of a circle that we will need. A double radius is equal to, let's consider 10. Then we will write the formula of circumference, that would be double circumference. Here the formula to calculate the circumference of a circle, it's 2 times pi times radius. Then we will display our circumference output. We will display circumference, then we will write std followed by colons, then Cout circumference is equal to circumference in centimeter. Let's go ahead, save, Control S and press hit run, then wait for output. There is your output, 62.8318 centimeter. Any variable we do not want to be able to change at all, we can turn into const. Let's say that somebody goes into our program and change pi value to different number. Let's consider that pi is equal to 230.112. Let's consider somebody goes into your program and change pi value to this. Then Control S, hit run. Now we have this answer. Well, then this is going to change the result of our program. We may have not realized that somebody changed the value of pi before. So any variable you do not want to change, you can prefix this keyword, that is const, right here before this const. Now a common naming convention for a constant is to make all of the letters uppercase. So let's change pi to uppercase, and now we have to also change right here. Now Control S and hit run. Okay, we have an error assignment of read-only variable pi. So including a couple of other example of variable that you could turn into constant could be maybe the speed of light. Maybe you have a physics calculator. Let's just define const int light speed, and then speed of light in meter per second. Let's think of some more example. Perhaps you are working with screen resolution, then define const int width of your screen, and then const int height of your screen. These may be a few example of variable you do not want to change or alter at all. You only want them to be read, right? Let's just display all of this. Control S, hit run. Still we have the same error message. Why? Because we have to remove this. Then again Control S, hit run. We have this. There you are. And let's just print all of this. In order to make it a little more readable, we can do one thing. We can add some comments of circle is this, and we can also print the speed of light. Can do std standard followed by 2 colons, then Cout. Then we can add some message, that is speed of light, that would be light. Then add new line comment, new line command, that would be /n. We have to also add right here new line command /n. Then just display all of this. Let's also write for the width of screen. Add new line command, and you have to also consider this one, std followed by 2 colons, Cout height. Add new line. Then let's press Control S, then hit and run. We have nice looking output. That circumference is this, speed of light this, width of screen is this, and height of screen is there, right? This is the variable. Yeah, that's a constant, everybody. It's a keyword that will modify a variable or some value so that it's read only and cannot be changed. You should use constant as often as possible, only if you know that a variable is not going to be changed at all. Your assignment is to think of a constant and post it in the comment section. Hey, if you are enjoying the series, please be sure to smash the like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.